Capstone project, the project you guys have been waiting for. This project is going to give you so much value out of this course. You can use this for your own emails. You can use this, I'm going to show it to you for Outlook, but you can use this for your own email like Gmail or Yahoo Mail. You can use it for any of the emails. So what are we going to do? AI powered email classifier. We are going to categorize our emails. So first we're going to classify them, whether it's a high priority, a customer support, or we can keep adding the functions, and it's going to be dynamic. And based on that, we will route the emails to the proper folders. If it is a customer support email, it will go to the customer support folder and it can auto reply as well. I'll show you a high priority email to put it into a draft. It will do all the research, put it into a draft, and then you can review it like a human in the loop and then reply, and also send a notification on your Telegram account. Second way is like, if you know that this is a junk email, you don't want to do anything, or we'll categorize that as well. So I'll show you everything. We are going to do everything. You will do this on your own in this lab. Architecture on this is, first you're going to get an email. Our email trigger is going to trigger as soon as there is some email. After that, our AI engine, AI agent, agentic AI, it's going to classify the email after opening it. Then it is going to process it. So this is this way actually. It's going to process it and either create a draft or send out an email, send out a notification, and at the end it's going to notify the appropriate team on what action was done. So this is a 4-step process.